As early as this afternoon, George Zimmerman's attorney says he plans to file a motion to keep secret the names of key witnesses in the case.
In 30 years of practicing law, Mark O'Mara says he's never filed such a motion, but both sides in this emotionally charged case argue it is necessary.
WESH 2's Bob Keeling joining us live at the Seminole County Courthouse with the new details. And Bob, public information is quickly becoming the new battleground in this case.
Well, that's right. And Martha, I can tell you that I just checked with O'Mara's office. He's still in the process of drafting this motion. And in this case, both the defense and the prosecution say they're in favor of setting aside the public's right to know if it means protecting witnesses from potential threats. And also, the judge has given us a pretty clear clue on which way he may rule. This weekend, defense lawyer Mark O'Mara launched this new website for George Zimmerman and posted this, quote, "No good purpose will be served by a media frenzy directed at witnesses." He went on to say he will not accept state discovery evidence until he files a possible precedent-setting motion to keep witness information and names secret. Today, O'Mara argues he is not trying to control the flow of information or the public's right to know.
In a case with this high profile and the emotions in this case, anyone who says something positive to one side or negative to the other may be open to more scrutiny and safety concerns.
I think this may be the extraordinary case that creates an exception to the general rule.
In the past, defense attorney Richard Hornsby says he has seen a judge keep confidential some things about witnesses, but not all of it.
It's one thing to have the addresses confidential. That's a pretty common thing in cases where you're afraid of witness intimidation. It's quite another thing to keep their actual names confidential. I've never seen a judge grant it.
Friday, prosecutors told Judge Ken Lester that their witnesses are afraid.
They're scared to death that if their names are publicized, they will get all kinds of threats, etc.
Lester put off a decision on witness protection until O'Mara files a motion, but he was clearly swayed by the notion that both sides are in favor of it.
This is perhaps that one case where there will be a difference. I'm just letting the media know with respect to certain aspects.
Now, numerous media organizations, including the parent company of WESH 2, are opposing any effort to keep public this information, and they say it will have to pass a three-pronged test by Florida law that goes beyond just a concern over potential threats to witness safety. But clearly this battle line over public information is the next big court battle looming in this case. Reporting live at the Seminole County Courthouse, I'm Bob Keeling, WESH 2 News.